Looking at this code, we can see that the variable color is defined in the global scope. This means that any function defined in this scope has access to the color variable. So the print color function has access to color. In this code, the new color variable is defined in the function scope of print color, which means it has a lexical scope local to the print color function. Anything outside of print color will not have access to the new color variable, so the console log here will produce an error. Not all languages use lexical scoping. Some languages like Bash use something called dynamic scoping. This means that the scope of the variable is determined by where it's called from. In this example, the X variable is only defined inside of func1, not in func2. However, func2 still has access to the X variable because it's called inside of func1. This won't work for a lexical scoping language because X is defined in the local lexical scope of func1. It's not available inside of func2.